Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a solid 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom family house for sale. It is located on Craig Avenue in the Upper Waterloo neighborhood. This unit has a spacious living room and staff quarters on the ground floor. There is also a single carport, kitchen, and also a large bonus space on the upper level. The land area is approximately 6,098 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 51 million or US $331.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.